To add an indicator in TradingView, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart section. Once you have your chart open, click on the Indicators button located at the top of the screen. This will open the indicator window, which displays a wide range of available indicators, including moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. You can browse through the different categories or use the search function to find a specific indicator. Once you have found the indicator you want to add, click on it and it will be applied to your chart. You can then adjust the settings of the indicator by clicking on the gear icon next to its name. In the Settings window, you can adjust parameters such as the length of the indicator, the source of the data, and the color and appearance of the indicator on the chart. You can also add multiple instances of the same indicator with different settings to compare them side by side. Another way to add an indicator is by using the PineEditor, which is TradingView's programming language. You can write your own custom indicator code or use pre-built codes from the TradingView library. To access the PineEditor, click on the PineEditor button at the bottom of the screen. In the PineEditor, you can write or paste your indicator code and then add it to your chart by clicking the Add to Chart button. This will apply the custom indicator to your chart, where you can adjust its settings and appearance as needed. Best practices for adding indicators in TradingView include starting with a clear understanding of what the indicator is meant to do and how it can be used to inform your trading decisions. It is also important to test and validate any indicator before using it in live trading, and to combine multiple indicators to form a comprehensive trading strategy.